Hi and welcome to this English Made Simple course which teaches you excellent English expressions that you'll be able to use in your everyday conversation. Now, we learn these expressions because we want to sound more natural, and the way to really connect with people in English-speaking countries is to understand the subtle nuances, expressions, idioms and so on that people are using in everyday life. Throughout the course, you will have questions designed to test your knowledge, just so you can make sure that you're absorbing all of the new expressions. The lectures are really simple. We introduce the expression, we give you some real-life examples to help you understand everything in context. And if you do have any problems, please just send me a message and I'll respond as soon as I can. In the meantime, I want to leave you now to continue and enjoy the course. I'm looking forward to hearing your feedback, so good luck, and I really hope that when you finish, you'll be ready to use your new expressions.